morning. Welcome back. Well, it's a little bit early for me. I'm just a evening guy, not a morning guy. So my stem is a little bit sore. How do you call it? A morning voice. But that doesn't matter because today is the great day. They are going to install the garage door. So then I can finally finish up my man cave. Yes. So, how messed up is that? The car, our daily driver, was in the garage party yesterday. So it was all wet, it was rainy. And this is what happens when you get a wet car in this garage. So this is going to happen when my Ferrari will get wet and get in the garage. So I know I have to do this the floor again. But what I'm thinking about is doing a rubber floor. Instead, black, good for the tires. We'll see. But not everything goes the way it planned. So I'm gonna prepare the last few parts, and then hopefully by the end of this day, the door is in, and this room is heated. Well, it is heated, but the heat stays in. So let's get started with today. Well, as you can see, the guys of AB Technique Garage Doors, or better said, www.garagedoor for the Dutchies, are here. They just started working, and the first main job is done, I think. Yes. So, wow, I'm so excited, guys. This is going to be a fantastic place to work on the Ferrari and other projects we're going to do in the future. So I'm going to put up a time lapse so you can see some progress. just saw a video or a time lapse of the guys on AB garage doors install the door, and well, I think it looks absolutely amazing and so much more cleaner than the other door. It's a little bit opened right now because it has to ventilate, and they had to fix some concrete, so we have to keep it a little bit open, but I'm pretty happy with the result. And with that one finished, all's left for me now to do is paint the upper part and mount the desk, maybe a television or something, 2 chairs, and invite some friends to have a drink, because the lockdown is as good as ending right here. So I'm pretty happy. But before we finish this video, I just want to do the final check if it works. It stops, yes, and it continues, and I have to wait until it's up and then go down again. So we just stand here. I see a lovely fort out there. It's up, and now it's going down. So, now, with that bombshell, I want to thank you for watching, and if you like this video, probably do, I hope, then please like, subscribe, spread the word, help me out here, and please soon think about this name, Mr. Caveman. Oh, look what I did. That's okay. Okay, well, I say it again, Mr. Caveman, keep that in mind. And with that bombshell, I want to thank you and goodbye, my friends.